Alright, welcome to my MARSHYDRO Amazon Grow 10x5, and just like I promised, it's 3 days later. It's Saturday, and we have an unboxing video to do, so we'll see how this goes. Obviously I got to do this one hand. All I did was cut it open. I did nothing inside, so did a little work, but we'll get to that later. I basically have my lights in the configuration I want them in, and this new TSW2000 is going to go right here at the end. So basically what we're going to have is one plant per light. It sounds excessive, it sounds crazy, but in reality, when I start scrounging them out, it'll work out. I need full light coverage on this. So let's just get into this box and just show you how it's packed. Basically, most of them are the same. They come well packed. And this here was basically like a little kit. So you get the light. I'm going to have to do a part A and part B video, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like packed up and what comes with it. Because obviously I have to screw on the drivers. Then set it up. So anyway, there's the light. I might get to it in a minute pulling it out. They also give you a nice temperature humidity gauge, so that works out. It was always handy, better than buying them. And a set of ratchet straps, and your chain link cable. And I probably will be using it this time because once you hook it up between two, I believe you can use the dimmer on one light and it'll interact with how many you got hooked up to that daisy link, chain link. So and the ratchet straps that come with it, and the supports. Also comes with a timer. Always nice to have free stuff with it. And the wires, the lights, the owner's manual, the dimming box. So it's a dimming version. Let's check out the manual. Pretty simple. Just shows you how to put it together. I put a few of them together already, obviously, so I basically can do this without the instructions. Alright, so it's just, I guess we're getting into different languages here, that's it. Alright, so not much there. Let's see what I can do with one hand. I think it's going to be pretty hard altogether. So anyway, it looks like this. Let me see if I can lift it up without screwing everything up. Also, it comes with that awesome sticker sheet. Every light seems to come with that. That's pretty good. And there's the light. Boy, that's a beauty. Nice size too. Alright, I guess we're going to hold off here on this video. I'll have to splice them together. And I'll get a second video in when I get this hooked up and show you more what's going on. And also I'll have to get another video in of the update so far, what's going on with the plants. And okay, so that's about it for this. I'll just splice it into the next one so it'll pick right up.